All right, guys, I'm gonna show you how to do the bullet point mounting solutions. Super quick and easy. Just remove the speaker cover right here in the front. Then you got two 7mm bolts back here. Pull this trim up, and then I'll show you how to dial everything in and screw it back in. All right, here's the trim piece when you remove it. So what you're gonna do is put some blue tape down. I want to keep the little liner inside, so I just put my tape down. I just measured everything. It's about 7/8 from each corner, so this is pretty much centered in. Then I marked it. And down here, I just marked the holes. I use this hole that they already have in the mount. Just throw a pen through there, and yep, there's the holes. Gonna drill them out real quick and then put it back together. Now you want to drill out with your pilot hole first before you go with the provided bit. Got a tiny bit here. So I'm gonna start off right here. Just like that. You see the little pilot holes right there. Now you're gonna hit it with the included drill bit that they provide you. Right after you do your pilot holes, just go through the same holes. Just like that, you got your pilot holes. All right, so where I drilled the holes for the rubber mat here, what I'm gonna do is I'm just gonna cut. So it drilled in perfectly, but your screws are not gonna go in there through easy. So what I'm just gonna do is just cut little squares where the holes are. That way my screws can just drop right through, and then I still keep the mat on there and it looks pretty good. So let me do that real quick. That's what it's gonna look like. You just take your screw and washer. And let's see, I can't really do this one-handed. Oh my god. Just like that. Boom. It goes right through. Oh man. Alright guys, and just like that. It's all in. So you can even see, don't tighten this too hard, it's still plastic, but tighten it enough to where you can see the 3M tape on the other side is already kind of squishing in there. So that's solid in there. Right in between my marks, centered. Right down the back side. Yeah, let's go plug it back in and see the finished product here. All right, and that's how it looks all buttoned up. I'm just gonna put my my phone hanger thingy right here. And then that's it, man. Very simple job, easy to do. Good luck.